Alright guys, this is gonna be the video of the Kicker CompQ 10-inch. I'm doing some excursion for you guys. I think in the previous video I told you guys I was gonna make you a video for this thing moving before I put it in my box. So here's the CompQ 10-inch for the ones that haven't seen this sub already on my previous video. Here's the CompQ 10-inch. It's a 4 ohm. It's rated at 700 watts RMS. So I'm gonna show you a video of Naruto's Sadness and Sorrow. I've been breaking the sub in with this track. So if you guys are interested in breaking your subs in, just use this track. You'll see the reason why it gets the cone moving a lot. But I have it hooked up to a Polk PAD 1000.1. This amp at 2 ohms does 800 RMS, and 1 ohm it does 1200 RMS. But the real spec sheet wattage is over 1000 at 1032 watts, around 2 ohms, and on 1 ohm it does around almost 1500 watts, surprisingly. But Polk Audio, they do high quality amplifiers and speakers, and I'm gonna be powering it with this Power Max 100 amp power supply. Alright, so here's the video. Skip it to the Alright guys, I'm gonna play this track another time for you guys. Sorry, just when my family comes in, it's hard to make videos and I have to tell them to be quiet. But here, I'm gonna play once more for you guys. And plus, this is 12 gauge OFC wire. I even have it hooked up to this 100 amp power supply to this, but it's just a short run, so it doesn't really matter. And the amp is really cool out of all that power I was putting to it. But remember, this is not the correct way to break it in with this much power. It has to be with lower power then go higher and higher and higher from there. So here's a 12 gauge. This is a monoblock amp. I have this wired to the terminals. This is not a 2-channel, so it's just a monoblock, but it just has 4 connections, just in case you're trying to put all that 1200 watts or the real wattage of 1400 into the voice coils. There's one and another one, 12 gauge, and it's pretty thick actually. When you take it out, it's pretty hefty. Alright, so here it goes again. Yeah. Sorry guys, it gets tired in holding the camera. My phone. Alright, I'm gonna choose one more song for you guys, and that will be it for the video. Alright guys, instead of a song, I'm gonna give you a 30 hertz test tone. It's gonna be 1 minute long, and watch this thing move. And also, when you start with test tones on YouTube or just any test tone, make sure you have your gain all the way down on your bass knob, because they could get really moving if you have a big amp with a lot of wattage. You could bottom the subwoofer out, and it'll start hitting them down there. So let's get this started. See, like you heard right there, that was a bottom out. Alright guys, and that'll be it for this video. If you like this video, like it, share it with a friend or something that's trying to buy this subwoofer, and please subscribe. Thank you guys.